Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. So first thing you have to do is open up your browser. So once you open up your browser, just like this, you click on the search bar and you're going to type for Microsoft of storage, just like this one right here. So once you search for that, you're going to click on it, and so once you click on that, it's going to load up and it's going to take some few seconds. So once it's all loaded, you need to click on the search bar right here and you're going to search for Modern Warfare 2, and once you search for that, you're going to see it appear right here, and you can just click on it, and once you click on it, you are going to pay the required amount, and once you pay for that, your app is going to be installed into your PC and you're good to go. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.